Hello everyone, myself Sudiksha S and my USN is 2SD20EC108. I'm studying in 6th SEM A division. Here we are going to see how to display keypad values on 7 segment display. First I've made sure that I have the necessary components. Now on the desktop I have created a new folder of my name. Now we open the Arduino IDE environment. Then go to File and open the folder created. Then I have given the object name as 7seg. And then open. Then I have dumped the Arduino code and save it again. Give the file name as 7seg and save. Then verify the code. In this code, we create shift register object, number of shift registers, data pin, clock pin, and latch pin. We have the output result being displayed on the segment display. I hereby conclude this video. Thank you.